Hello guys. So it's a continuation series of AWS exam, and in my previous video we had created the elastic beanstalk, and now in this video we will check the testing demo that we created. This one we created, right, and it's working fine for us. Okay, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to our environment, demo web server. Okay, yeah, this one we created, and then we need to go to Cloudshell. So I'm gonna show you how we're gonna look our website. So this gonna look. So this is my. So you'll see. So this is our website that we're gonna host on our cloud pipeline. You see the blue color. We're gonna change it to green. That's a simple thing. We just need to show you how we're gonna do it. Okay, so first we go to code pipeline, and then we have no pipelines. We're gonna check we have a GitHub connection. Yeah, that's perfect. And then we just need to make a new pipeline for our website that we need to host. So we're gonna go to create pipeline, build a custom pipeline, click next because we are not using the same one. Demo Node.js pipeline, and then you will see we have two options. It says suspended, queued, parallel, and then we use queued, and then existing service role. We're gonna create a new one. We don't need to use the existing one, and then we click next, and then it will say service provider, which is GitHub. And now you have to gi- give the GitHub. So my GitHub connections already exist, so I'm just gonna go to my GitHub and provide the repository name that we had created, right? Quite simple. I'm just going to go my home, my repository that I created recently, which is quite for Node.js. Okay, so that's my repository name. I just copy and paste here. Okay, so it was asking default branch main, and then it was asking repository name. It could also, like, if we don't put our name, let's see, does it search for our. No, it doesn't. Okay, if we connect the GitHub and see, it should be it should given us the option, to connect all the repository if we have any. Let's see, does it give us option? um no, it doesn't. So don't worry, we just put our repository name, and then it was asking main, and then GitHub. We use the same settings. Next, and then okay, and now it was asking these are commands, these are source files, and then we're gonna click skip build stage, and then it was asking test provide. By the way, we can also skip test as well. Now the deploy. So for deploy, it doesn't give us, we cannot skip, so we can use, we are using the Beanstalk, so we're gonna use Amazon Web Services Elastic Beanstalks, and then application name as well. So we're gonna use the testing server demo. Okay, and then this is next, and then create pipeline. Just remember the the testing server name because we need that. We're gonna need it when we are. Okay, so it says success, congratulations, your pipeline has been. Okay, so it says it's failed, but you just keep auto trying. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to um, Cloudshell, and then we're gonna upload our updated file that we created. Actions, upload file. I'm gonna upload my index.html file that I updated, and then once I so while it's uploading, we're gonna go see update. Okay, file update successful, and now if file gets successful, we can update our application as well. As you have seen the the website that we are trying, we're gonna use some git commands, git add dot, my bad, sorry, a, and then what's it saying? Sorry, you cannot use the upper letters. That's the beauty of git, it gives you the error as well, if you do some mistake. Not a git repository or any parent up discovery file system not exist. Okay, that's fine, that's not a big issue for us. You can also like update us full file as well. Let me see, where is my Node.js? Okay, so what I'm gonna do is update this file, and okay, so now all done. So I'm gonna upload a file here, which is node, which is zip file. Okay, so we don't need to add a new file, we just gonna, while it's uploaded, now we do unzip, and then we have to give the file name, which is this one. So now our file is unzipped, and if we do ls, you will see. Okay, perfect. So now you can see we have these files. Okay, And then now if we try to git add home stopping file system boundary, let me check some commands really quick. So the problem was I using the CI/CD demo folder, and in the folder I have to use the copy my zip file, and once you're done then you can use the git add and a option, and then once you add you have to use git commit commit m, and then you can enter some message as well. I already did it so I don't need to. And then once you do git push, it will ask you your username. I will put my username, and then it will ask you your password, and I'm gonna put my password here, and it will give me some result. So it say everything is up to date. I updated already, so it says you know. So now it will show you, before it will showing you the green thing, green folder on our Cloudshell, on our server, Beanstalk server, right? This was showing you, right? The green thing. Now it's updated. Before it was blue, now it's green. It just updated because I changed the file, the color, and you will see I did it with the GitHub thing. So I don't need to change anything. It just updated by itself. See, it's green now. Before it was blue, now it's green. If you update your file again, it will change the color again without changing anything. So I hope you understand how to run the CI/CD, and then we will discuss how we're gonna use our pipeline further in our next videos, and then we will go further deep into our server, how we're gonna make the server efficiently. So so I was using the GitHub link. You can change the domain. You will see you have an option to change the domain. You can edit domain anytime. Like right now it's showing this. If you have when we build the environment, you will see you have an option to edit the link address. So I just added the link address for my GitHub. So now it was showing the my GitHub address, because GitHub you can also, you don't need a web address. You can just launch your website on GitHub as well with the GitHub pages. So I use that page. So I hope you understand. And in my next video, we will discuss more about the AWS services. So stay tuned with us and like, share, and subscribe for more informative videos. Thank you.